Hey everyone, this is Gleb, and today I want to show you how to validate a dropdown that appears once we type the start of a state name. So if I type MI, well, there are 4 different states in the United States that starts with MI: Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri. And again, if I run this, I can find the input box by name attribute, and I can type MI, but notice there is a delay between typing and showing the states. Maybe there is a round trip to the server, for example. So what I want to do is to confirm that each search result shows text that starts with MI, and I want to ignore the case. So how would I do this? So let's move this to the left. And I already have this initial code for getting the input box. And let's maybe type MI. Okay, typed, and then the results appear. And we can look at the markup and we can see, so these are search results list and then li element. So we can get those search results li. And right away, I probably want to say, just make sure they exist. So let's say something like this, because I know they will appear, right, at some point, and there should be at least one. I don't know the exact number for different scenarios, but once they appear, then we want to get each element and get the text. So for this, I can use cy.each command, because cy.get in this case returns multiple elements. So each element is a li.jQuery object. So now we can, for example, get the text using jQuery text method, and we expect text. Well, how do we check that string starts with something else? Well, we can use a regular expression. So we can say expect text to match start of a string should be MI, and then we're gonna ignore the case. Okay, so the first assertion waited and retry until we have 4 elements, and then notice that we're checking text Michigan, text Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, and they all match MI. One other improvement I can suggest of the assertion shows the text, but you might be interested if something fails in the index, like which state is wrong. So in this case, I can use the second argument passed to cy.each callback, and I can say here state, and the index starts with 0, so just to be user-friendly, I'll add 1, so it states 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is how you would confirm something about the text of each element that you found on the page. Find this recipe and a lot more at my Cypress example site, and I will link it in the description of this video.